Like, no, D, you don't want to buy cigarettes. Like, you really don't want to. So why are you smoking? And I'm like, I want a cigarette. I want a cigarette. Just like that, in this voice. I was like, I want a cigarette. I want a cigarette. I want a cigarette. And then I looked back and I was like, what in the demonic? That wasn't me. I just got like an outer spirit experience. And I was like, that is not me. Like, that's actually... I witnessed the cigarette spirit, I guess, in me, and it's coming out. And I don't want... Get out. Leave my body. You don't belong here. I belong to God. Sorry, spirits. Bye. Pray the spirit of addiction to leave your body, because honor the Lord. Do not be wise in your own eyes. Fear the Lord and depart from evil. It will be health to your flesh and strength to your bones.